I'm sure everyone is familiar with coronavirus, also known as COVID 19, the virus which has been wreaking havoc on the world since early 2020. Who isn't sick of being stuck inside and having to wear a mask every time you go out? Since vaccination has begun, though, it looks like we'll be rid of the coronavirus soon enough. But what if I told you COVID 19 wasn't the only virus that you should be worried about? In 2016, there was a mysterious anthrax outbreak in northern Siberia, which doesn't really sound all that interesting until you realize that region had not had such an outbreak for the past 70 years. Anthrax was thought to have been eradicated completely. The cause? Permafrost. Permafrost is ground that remains frozen for 2 or more consecutive years. Some permafrost has even stayed frozen for more than 100 years. It stores the carbon-based remains of plants and animals that froze before they could decompose. Scientists found that the anthrax outbreak was due to reindeer corpses buried inside permafrost. The solid ice was so cold that the corpses just didn't decompose. These corpses were infected with the anthrax virus. But how did the contagion affect human beings above ground? Well, that year in Siberia, there was a major heat wave which melted the permafrost underground. Because of this, the reindeer corpses contagion was exposed to the air, and the air in turn infected human beings. What followed, of course, was mass burnings of reindeer corpses. Although this was an isolated incident, there is a high probability of it happening again. This time on a much larger scale. Permafrost covers about 24% of the exposed landmass of the northern hemisphere, and it is melting. Because of climate change, it is melting faster than ever before. This is going to have dramatic effects on our climate, our environment, and essentially our way of life. Ecologist Katie Walter Anthony's latest calculations suggest that lakes created by the sudden melting of permafrost could nearly triple the greenhouse gas emissions usually released. Not only that, but scientists have also found pieces of the 1918 Spanish flu virus under Alaska's tundra region. Studies also show that it is very likely that there is the smallpox and bubonic plague contagions under Siberia. The thawing of permafrost means that there could be an outbreak of such bacteria and viruses that were previously thought to have been eradicated. In this case, humankind would be left defenseless. Imagine the effect on our already sensitive environment from the massive increase in carbon emissions. Imagine the effect on us, human beings, from the bacteria and viruses that have been found under the ice, and even those which have not yet been found. Mankind is on thin ice, pun intended. And if we don't do something about it soon, we're going to be in deep water. Again, pun intended.